Thank you for being with us. Our top story tonight, Joe Biden addresses the United Nations General Assembly in New York for the last time as U.S. president. He optimistically told leaders from across the globe that even from the horrors of war, there is a way forward and things can get better. He urged world leaders to work together. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
Tracy, good evening to you. President Joe Biden also said he knows many people look at the world today and see its difficulties and react with despair. He told leaders he does not and will not, adding that as leaders, quote, we don't have that luxury.
President Joe Biden delivers remarks to leaders gathered at the UN General Assembly.
I recognize the challenges from Ukraine to Gaza to Sudan and beyond. War, hunger, terrorism, brutality, record displacement of people, a climate crisis, democracy at risk.
His speech comes as Israel and Hezbollah in Lebanon edge closer to all-out war, and Israel's fight against Hamas in Gaza nears the one-year mark, the president urging a ceasefire and hostage deal. And when it comes to Ukraine, President Biden said Putin's war has failed. Ukraine is still free, and emphasized NATO is more united than ever before. He also warned the world has a choice to make.
Will we sustain our support to help Ukraine win this war and preserve its freedom, or walk away and let aggression be renewed and a nation be destroyed? I know my answer. We cannot grow weary. We cannot look away.
Later, Biden met with United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres. He also attended the Global Coalition to Address Synthetic Drug Threats. Opioids have been linked to about 800,000 deaths in the U.S. since 1999, including more than 80,000 annually in recent years, with most of those involving fentanyl. Drug overdose, the leading cause of accidental death in the United States.
Too many families have suffered unbearable pain and unbearable loss. Opioids are the deadliest drug threat in our history.
Now, President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris are scheduled to hold separate meetings with Ukrainian President Zelensky in Washington this coming Thursday. Ukrainian officials were also trying to arrange meetings for Zelensky to meet with Donald Trump this week. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.